Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for having me. It's my first time in Singapore. I've had a beautiful stay this week. Met the amazing community, met the amazing stakeholders, and working in the industry and meeting an unbelievable movement of optimism and progress. What I'm going to do for the next 15 minutes is take you through why CrossFi is turning into one of the next superpowers in Web3. When I talk about superpower, it all starts with the people. We've already built a business. Two groups of people are so important to our business. Number one is the investors, the stakeholders, the partners, and our global team. So I know some of our global team are in the audience. We've had an amazing journey. This is our second year at TOKEN2049. We're building technology that is driving an ecosystem. Our people pride ourselves on building technology that people want to use, whether it is in traditional finance, whether it is in payments, whether it is in DeFi. CrossFi is building a superpower business that enables users to access cross-border payments, enables users to access technology they really want to use. We really feel like our 360 ecosystem is about to break on an amazing journey for the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years. It is a very, very great time for you to be understanding what CrossFi does and our journey we're taking. Also, when I talk about superpowers, we're in an amazing week. We've got the world's biggest crypto show, so I just want to thank Token2049 for making CrossFi feel so welcome and part of the community. Secondly, we have the backdrop of the Formula One. What an amazing time to be in Singapore. Token2049, Formula One. So in the spirit of Formula One, I'm going to take you through a 0 to 60 of what we're building at CrossFi. It's going to be a very shiny, fast, impressive presentation. So I hope you've got your seatbelts on. Thank you. And thank you for we've got a huge community in the audience. I know it's lunchtime coming. I know there's other great stages, great speakers, but I love the fact that the audience is full and you're listening to me and I can already feel the energy. I've been in crypto nearly 8 years now. I've worked for the biggest crypto company. I am absolutely honored and thrilled that I am the Global Partnerships Director for CrossFi. CrossFi is on an amazing journey. We are building something where users, community, stakeholders, media, and investors understand the journey. As a superpower, we always need to maintain the fact that the industry is moving at lightning fast. So every day our developers, our technology is building an ecosystem that moves with the times. I've witnessed and watched certain crypto companies that don't move with the times. We run like a Formula One company. We're always front. We're always first on track. We're always winning the race. Thank you. So, the big idea. We're in 2024. 2025 is around the corner. Wherever you are in the world, you're going to be interacting with CrossFi. We are a global audience. We are a global business addressing global audiences. There's two significant pillars to our business. Essentially, traditional finance, cross-border, globalization, bridging to DeFi. We're essentially a financial business running an ecosystem that enables people to access traditional finance but also bridge to DeFi. That is our key pillar. That will always be our key pillar. We are basically building a financial ecosystem that is authentic, it is trusted, and ultimately it works. It works for people, it works for the community, it works for business enterprise, it works for stakeholders. Lots of projects, I believe, in this space do not work well enough across all stakeholders and all audience. Our technology works across all stakeholders. The realization of what we're doing. Certain audiences, certain user groups, certain communities don't always want complicated technology. We have a very, very, very robust blockchain. We have a very, very robust app. Everything is safe. Everything is secure. We've launched a bank card. We've launched intuitive technologies that enable people to access either light touch technology in terms of transactions and payments or deep DeFi. We believe our ecosystem can address all of these audiences, all on our own CrossFi chain. As well as CrossFi chain, we are also building CrossFi Foundation. We are building everything the right way. We are supporting the migration and the movement of what I believe civilization is going through at the moment, which is how to accept DeFi, how to accept crypto, how to work across regions, how to travel, how to support each other on the journey. We have the perfect infrastructure, I believe, for the next 5 years' growth on what civilization is doing and their relationship with money and their relationship with payments and their relationship with crypto. Everything we do is user-centric, design-driven. We have a global team. We have the best educated people. We have the most ambitious leaders. We have the most integrated, hands-on investment network. We've got everything we've had in place. In the last 2 years, we've driven success, we've driven growth, and we're building something special. This is why I can, in a very relaxed state, say we are building a superpower, and I'm really glad everyone's with us on the journey today. Global impact. Whether you're living in Southeast Asia, whether you're living in Europe, whether you're living in LATAM, whether you're living in the US, we are all seeing global change. We are seeing global change of health. We are seeing global change of well-being. We are seeing global change of how to manage money, how to move cross-border, how to manage payments. Our global impact is we are empowering people for a better life. We are empowering people with technology. We are empowering people with trust. We're empowering people with authenticity to manage their own life, manage their business, manage their families. This is what CrossFi stands for. Our mission is monumental. We are changing everything. We are changing the landscape. So, what are our key focus areas? What are we building? What are we progressing? Where is our momentum going? Number one thing that everyone wants to know when a technology company is managing your finance, managing your money, is security. Is this platform secure? Do I feel safe? Is the platform safe? Everything we've done since the day this business launched is security focused. We can stand here. We can tell you that we've onboarded 1 million people. We can tell you that our community is over 1 million. We've already opened an amazing market with Vietnam, one of our most important, biggest markets already. And I thank the Vietnamese community today for supporting CrossFi. Security is our number one priority. Number two, financial inclusion. Whether you're interacting with us on a simple way or a complicated way, whether you're an innovative investor or whether you just want to go and pay for grocery shopping, we are basically driving financial inclusion. Everyone in the world needs to be able to bank. Everyone in the world needs to be able to access finance. We are driving that move forward. Our cross-chain solution, ultimately we're building our own layer one, our own blockchain. We are building from the ground up. We are not relying on third, fourth, fifth-party technology companies that are going to let us down as we grow forward. It's so important when you get to understand CrossFi and you get to deal with us more on a daily basis that we're building technology from the ground up. Global usability. We're working in Asia. We're working in LATAM. We're working in North America. We're working in Europe. We are universally understood on what we are doing. The main focus is traditional finance, DeFi, building that bridge, making it easy to use, making it easy, acceptable, secure, authentic, and ultimately it works. User-centric design is always at the forefront of what we do. We test everything on our community. We test everything on our consumers, our business partners, our enterprise partners. Everything we launch to market is built, it's road tested, it's test driven. Probably like the Ferrari cars, the Williams cars, the Red Bull cars we're going to see on the Formula One track. They are tested to the millimeter that they are going to work. We've got exact same approach as the Formula One team. So, we're bridging finance. We're enabling customers to move into DeFi. What underpins our ecosystem, and this is a really simple, impressive diagram that gives users, enterprise, investors, stakeholders, media, an opportunity to understand our ecosystem. We have the CrossFi Foundation. We have the CrossFi app. We have the CrossFi chain. We have the CrossFi X app, all driving usability, all driving transactions, all in a safe, secure, maintained, full 360 ecosystem. What have we been doing in the last 3-4 years since we first appeared at TOKEN2049? Alex, our founder, launched the business in 2022. 2023, we launched cross-chain. 2023, we had the XFi coin listings. Then we onboarded more investors with Republic. Major move this year, testnet launch. Then we moved to the launch of CrossFi Foundation. Every month, every week, every day, every minute, we are progressing as a business. Here we are, September 2024, over 1 million people in our community. Key markets opened across the world. Currently, where we sit, August 2024, number one, 500,000 active users on our testnet, 1 million users in a Telegram community. Multiple hackathons staged across the world, whether it be Canada, whether it be US, whether it be Southeast Asia, whether it be Dubai, whether it be Europe. We are running multiple hackathons. We're learning with the community. We're building with the community. It's so important in Web3 that you build, you learn, you move with the times. Key milestones. One of our major announcements, you can find it online. We're going to talk about it more when you come to our stand and meet the leadership team. Significant partnership launched with Alchemy. So whether it be a full app service, whether it be SDKs, whether it be app-to-app delivery, our chain, our solutions, whether it's in front of consumer, in front of enterprise, we are building technology solutions, and we're really proud to be revealing the Alchemy partnership. Our innovations, our leadership team, educated in Oxford, educated in Cambridge, we are constantly looking for the next innovation. So we're always striving forward, as I said earlier on, similar to a Formula One team. User-centric approach. Everything we do must work. Everything must work in front of all audiences and stakeholders. Funding and support. We have vibrant investors. We have vibrant community. We are building. We are progressing. The numbers are very impressive month by month. What are the key points to review today as a superpower? Visionary leadership. I'm very proud to join the team. I've been in the space 7 years. I work for the world's biggest crypto business. I'm so energized and open to build CrossFi as the next superpower. Global accessibility, as I mentioned earlier on. We are working in every market. We have a strong focus on security. We have a strong focus on partnerships and collaboration. Web3 is the perfect industry for partnerships and collaboration. We are always open for business. We have multiple level integrated partnerships growing day by day. User-centric design, adaptability and innovation. The key thing that I always drive with the leadership team. Are we moving forward? Are we constantly building new technology? Are we innovating? Are we always first on the track like a Formula One team? Our USP, everyone in the community, whether we're working with the card partner, whether we're working with a business enterprise, one of our key drivers at the moment is our non-custodial instant payments platform. This is working, this is driving change, this is empowering and enabling people to access finance they may not have believed they were able to achieve. Who's doing this behind the scenes? Alex, our CEO, very high-profile crypto investor, very high-profile crypto founder, is our lead man. A sensational character, open for business, people first, wants to build a sustainable business that has a major impression on civilization. Philip in the US, ex-Binance. Ally, head of foundation. Myself, ex-Binance, head of strategy. Haley, running hackathon developer evangelistic movements. Victor, head of design, head of UI. Sensational team. We're building. We've got a successful test launch. The app is working. The Telegram community is building. We are on the map, moving forward very quickly. Alchemy partnership. Thank you for your time. I know it's been quick. I said it would be like a Formula One drive. Hopefully I gave you the key information.